I'm Brad.
I'm Temp.
And I'm Molly.
We are TemaSecundy, Colorado Springs Realtors at RE/MAX Properties here in town.
Welcome to 5955 Gladstone, nestled beautifully in the foothills of the Broadmoor neighborhood.
Come on inside and check it out.
Guys, welcome to this luxury Broadmoor Rancher located in Cheyenne Mountain School District 12, voted the #1 school district in the state of Colorado. Hey guys, look it up, it's true. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 4-car garage, office and bonus room. Amazing views, walls of windows. Guys, come with us and take a tour.
Welcome to this beautiful, warm, Knotty Alder custom kitchen, complete with double ovens, a convection microwave, and a warming drawer. You have everything you need to bake and cook to your heart's content in this kitchen, including a oversized commercial grade built-in side-by-side refrigerator and a commercial grade 6-burner gas range. Just off the kitchen, you have your own private covered eating area. Let's go take a look. Just off the kitchen is a beautiful breakfast area. The dining room features tray ceilings and custom faux finish on the walls.
All right guys, so the rest of the house up here, we have a formal living room with a gas fireplace, wall of windows, city views. Walking down the hall, we have an office that is absolutely amazing with its own gas fireplace, built-in Knotty Alder wall unit. Off of that, we have a bonus room that you can use as an exercise room, even as a craft room. Walking down the hall even further, we have the master suite with a 5-piece bathroom. We also have a walk-in closet and a huge master suite with its own private deck, views of the city, refrigerator, etc. Guys, amazing.
Let me take you to the downstairs, everybody. It has 2 access points to these beautiful double decks. Featured on one deck off of one of the bedrooms in the basement is a gorgeous, oversized 6-person hot tub with teak steps that allow easy access for anyone into the hot tub. There's also a 14-foot in-ground trampoline in the backyard. Featured in this lovely basement are 3 bedrooms, 2 with their very own private bathrooms and walk-in closets. And the highlight of this basement has to be the 11-seat, gorgeous custom home theater room that allows for you and your guests to just really, truly enjoy this home. Also in the basement is a 2,000-bottle, fully climate-controlled wine cellar with tasting table. The perfect place to end an evening, or even for that matter, to start an evening. There's also the feature of a dry bar, a full wet bar in the laundry room. There are 2 built-in desks in the laundry room, as well as hookups for a full refrigerator. Quality and elegance are at every turn in this house.
Guys, thank you so much for touring 5955 Gladstone. We are here to help. If you or you know anybody else that might be interested in taking a tour of this house, a private tour, please give Brad, Temp, or Molly a call. We'd love to take you through this amazing home up in the Broadmoor. Thank you guys. Have a great day.